Hey guys, Coach JZ here, and thanks for joining me today. This brief video is going to be an update for our FittKitt. That's the FittKitt, FittKitt 2025. And longtime members will recognize there's not much change, but it's always good to touch on this. As you know, in our Fitness for Life programming, we train year-round using an annual training plan which balances strength, speed, power, agility, and endurance. That's block periodized, but also in the summer, during the summer months of June, July, and August, we utilize a unique training split which emphasizes the major workouts being taken outdoors or outside. And those are sessions that we do on fields, at track and field facilities, and on trail, and all of that's included in our programming. And for many of those workouts we require the FittKitt, which is our mobile or portable equipment setup, and it all starts with a 5-gallon bucket. Just a basic 5-gallon bucket is all you need. It's not just for transporting many of the items, but it also is used for carrying exercises as well as an exercise platform or station for some of the things that we do. Now you can pimp your bucket out and give it a nice paint job or pad the handles, replace the wire bail with rope, anything that you want to do, but your bucket is going to be your foundation. And then next to that, we of course have the functional training sandbag. This happens to be the one which we can make from inner tubes and fill with sand, and I actually prefer these for much of our training because they're very molding to the body, and they have a nice coefficient of friction or slidability for when we're using it with our drag rigs. But you can use also a commercial fitness sandbag with handles and the zippered pouches, and that's going to be just fine. So whatever you have, you're going to need a sandbag, and that's going to be ranging in weight from probably a low of 20 pounds up to a maximum of about 60 pounds. And that's going to be based on your size and certainly strength level. Next up is an essential for summertime training, of course, the water bottle, and you can use any type that you have, but hydration is very important. And then we have the medicine ball. Now this can be any type of medicine ball. It can be one like this which bounces. It can be a slam ball. Again, any style is fine. In weight from about 5 to 15 pounds, and again, that's based on your personal strength level. Then we move to the elastic component of the FittKitt, and essentially we're just looking for an exercise tubing with handles, and this is extremely versatile. If you happen to have the band as opposed to the tubing with handles, this will suffice and it will be fine, but I would just say that the tubing is slightly better, and for most people we're looking at somewhere between a medium to heavy resistance. Now here's where things get unique for 2025. In the past we've also suggested a 6 to 8 foot piece of nylon webbing or strap. This is rigid or non-stretchable. We use it for a variety of mobility exercises as well as anchoring things, and this was something that we've used historically. We also have been utilizing for quite a while the drag rig, and so the drag rig was originally represented as any form of a belt with a rope that we can attach to the sandbag, and then we can hook it around the waist for various resisted locomotion activities. Now this year what I'm suggesting is we increase efficiency and simplify. So if you already have these two items, that's fine, you're good to go. But if you're new to the tribe and you're interested in making your life easier, just get an automobile tow strap, 2-inch width, 15 to 20 feet long. These can be had for usually less than $15 a lot of places, and they're extremely serviceable for how we're going to use them. And just a quick example here, you simply form a lark's head by coming through your loop, and now you've got a loop that you can form a waist belt for your body or cinch it around your sandbag. Either way is going to be fantastic. Now those are the bulk of the necessary items here for the FittKitt. So if I'm just going to review, we've got the bucket, we've got the water bottle, the medicine ball, the tubing, and now the toe strap, but you may also be interested in a few optional items. You could have a few of these small flexible or collapsible plastic cones to use on the field and even the track for marking locations and measuring distances. However, the track's usually got markings of its own, and when you're on the field, if you don't have cones, you can always just use a couple water bottles or hats from you and your training partners, because these summer workouts are designed to be shared with friends and family to maximize all those great benefits: the sunshine, the vitamin D, the oxygen, the fresh air, the grounding, the fellowship, the fitness. And some folks also like to bring along a towel. So this could be a beach towel that you can lay on if some of the places where you're going to lay down are less appealing. You don't want to lay on the ground. You can use a beach towel, or even just have a small hand towel or sweat towel. A lot of folks like that. And last but not least, many of our members like bringing along a carabiner. It doesn't have to be a locking model, but you can use this for some of the attachment processes that we're doing, whether you're hooking your band or tubing to a chain link fence as one example, or many others. And that, my friends, just double checking to make sure I didn't miss anything, constitutes the FittKitt, F-I-T-T-K-I-T-T, and it's a big part of our summer programming here in the tribe, using that summer training split as we go through the second month of the power block and both months of our speed training block. So if you have any other questions or need more information and you're a subscribed member in the Lifetime Athlete app, just hit the member submissions portal and we'll take care of you. And likewise, if you need additional information about anything we do here at TLA, just go to thelifetimeathlete.com and you'll find a plethora of resources. Thanks again for joining me today.